Hello, welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something? I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got another great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company, Ascendia Pharma. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Ascendia Pharma. So one of the reasons why I wanted to talk about this company is a little higher stock price than I normally find, but I do think there's a big opportunity here. So basically, you have to remember about 6 years ago, 2/3 of all the drugs in development in the pipeline were small molecules. Okay, today they're still they're still probably 50%, just under 50%, and that's according to Pharmaceutical LLC. You can look at the industry report. One technology that is really growing in phase 1 development medications is biologics. Okay, in fact, close to 20,000 drugs, 45% in development pipelines are biologics, and this trend is definitely going to continue. You're talking about 10% growth through 2026, 2027, and the more as geriatric population rises, the need for immunological government initiatives, are going to have to continue to grow. So these biologics are going to be a big deal, and I think these Ascendia Pharma is going to play a role. So let's look at the leadership team. CEO Jinjong Huang, Jim. This guy is impressive. 20-year background, worked at Pfizer, Baxter, AstraZeneca, Roche, led many formulation development efforts, from several oral and parental dosage forms through formulation, manufacturing. I mean, this guy knows what he's doing. PhD pharmaceutics, from Philadelphia College of Pharmacy and Science. So this guy is definitely an incredible leader. I have a lot of faith in this leadership team here. So looking at some of the services that they offer, this nano emulsion technology, it's formulations for poorly soluble, low bioavailable drugs, parental development formulation. These are all nano formulation. These are all big deals when we're talking about biologics. Okay, remember, these biologics are large. There's a lot of issues with trying to get a biologic drug into the right dosage form. Is it going to get broken down by pH, by the GI tract? Is it not going to be soluble? So this company is going to play a role in that. They got this nano emulsion technology formulation where they're basically using an oil and water nano emulsion, having these small droplets the size and range from like 50 to 500 nanometers. These are very tiny. If Ascendia can produce these nano emulsions, based on, it's the whole based on chemical compatibility, solubility, drug substance, this could be a big deal for a lot of these companies. I do think that these biologics are going to continue to grow. They're going to need these type of nano formulation, biological formulation development, parental formulation development, and I'm excited about this nano formulation and some of these services that Ascendia has to offer. So that being said, let's look at the stock price. So ASND is the stock symbol. ASND is the stock symbol. Time of this video, it's trading at $86. I do think that it is a bit high because of the current market situation we're in. There's a good chance that interest rates are going to go up. Some of these companies are going to get hit. A lot of them already have. I think Ascendia is in a good position, but that being said, may get cut in half again. In the $45 range is when I'm looking to get into this stock. I do like the idea they're able to develop. You're going to need these medications that are going to have to be soluble. They're going to have high bioavailability, and those are difficult to formulate, those type of compounds. And this type of company is there and is able to, hopefully create and help specialized pharmaceutical products that, even improve some of the existing dosage forms, or, well, it be oral, topical, injectable. They got definitely licensing deals they can arrange with 505B2 and, new drugs. So this is really incredible. I do like this company. I'm not crazy about the stock price right now. I'll be honest with you. I do think it may come down, but I do like this company. I think they have a lot of potential. I'm going to continue to monitor them because I do think that they have a lot of data that's going to report different products. I'll continue to watch them. That's all the time we have today. Make sure to tune in. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.